Hello my friends, I have come in my new video. The video is about what I do in spare time. And I know we get bored after homework. And we have to do something nice. I like to do a drawing. And today I come up with 2 easy drawing ideas. Do you want to do with me? Let's start. Let's go with the tulip flower. First, make a curve. Equal. Then big slant line down to the hill. And a small line here. Then up to the top, a slant and upside down. Then you can make the standing line. And you can do like that. Then another standing line and curve, and it's done. I will do coloring. I will use pink. You can choose any color you want. Now we'll do color the stem. Now it's done. Let's move to second drawing. Let's draw a 6 centimeter line. Then dot on 3. Now put your scale like this. Then start of 0. Then put a dot on 8. Then put this slant line. Then another side. Now we can make the yummy ice cream. Then put the heart and make her eyes. I have this one. Now I will tell you important thing of the cone. You have to use a rule of that. Place your scale like this. Then put a dot on 1. Then put a dot on 2. Put a dot on 3. Put a dot on 4. Put a dot on 5. Put a dot on 6. Put a dot on 7. Put a dot on 8. Put your scale like this and draw slant lines. Put the scale the other side and put a dot on 1 again, then 2 again, then 3, then 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Then we have to draw slant lines again. Now the ice cream is ready. Now we'll do coloring. I will use yellow and pink and purple. You can use your choice of colors. I will do the ice cream. Now we will do the outline. The ice cream is ready. If you like my drawing ideas, don't forget to press thumbs up. Thank you.